gravitational engine balloon balancing method. In this engine, a stand is attached with a thread having curves, and a balloon and wheel is also attached as shown in figure. Balloon is filled with helium gas due to thrust in the balloon and the gravitation forces on the wheel balance each other. Now the thread is in curves. When a smallest weight is put on the wheel due to tension, the wheel begins to rotate. When the weight is removed, the thread gets its original position in curves. By putting and removing, the wheel rotates and generates energy, kinetic, mechanical or electrical energy. Okay.